Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a Ulta Beauty 21 Days of Beauty haul. For the past 21 days I have bought various items that I wanted from the Ulta Beauty 21 Days of Beauty sale, which happens twice a year. Some of these deals I couldn't pass up on. Yes, I have one of them probably already, if not two of them, but they don't expire unless you open them. And I use the majority of these quite a lot on my everyday basis, so odds are I'll start using those in the next 3 months. But let's see what I got. Let's dive right on into my bag. So the first thing I ordered was some of the House of Lashes lashes. I got the Style Noir Fairy Light and Juliette. These are my favorite pair of lashes, in all honesty, besides the ColourPop ones. I save these for special occasions because they're a little bit more expensive than ColourPop's lashes when they're not on sale. These I think were $6 a piece, so not bad when they're regularly $12, which for me, I don't like spending that much on a pair of lashes that, you know, I can't get more than 5 uses out of it. The next thing I got was the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Highlighting Trio. It's got the 3 shades that she produced with them. Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and Glow Goals. These two are my favorite, and I have one of the bigger pants of both of them. But this helps me with traveling. I won't need to take 2 of the bigger ones. I can take this small and compact thing with me and less room. Then I purchased 2 more of the Tarte Shapetape concealers. This is my holy grail of concealers. I love it. It hides various zits along my face, covers up my dark circles, which you can't tell, but I have several breakouts up in here, over here, so this is my go-to concealer. That day they also had some of the Beauty Bakerie blending eggs. The packaging is so cute. Beauty Bakerie hits it out of the park with their packaging. It comes in a little carton. This was regularly $18 and they were $9 during the sale. And you get not 1, but 6 beauty blenders. Now that is a steal. It's not exactly like the Beauty Blender sponge. It's a little different, but it still blends like a dream, and these were 6 for $9 compared to 1 for $20. On the next day, I think it was maybe a couple of days later, I got 2 of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencils in the shade medium brown. I use these every morning to outline my brow before going into work. I was on the last leg of my last one. If you're wondering why I have tape on these, this just lets me know that I have not used these yet, and I peel it off when I start to use it again. I then decided I wanted to give the Urban Decay Waterproof Pencil Brow Blade and Ink Stain a try. I hadn't used this before, and I've seen a lot of people like really love it. It's ink stain on one side with a foam tip. On the other side it is a pencil. I think I got the shade Cafe Mocha, which might be a little too light for me because of my dark hair, but I can always darken it up. I just wanted to give it a try, and I wasn't really sure which shade it was, and you couldn't go to the store, so I was pretty much guessing. On the last day, you could get several different things, but I got the Tarte Maneater mascara. I wear this every day, all day. Most of my looks on Instagram are with this mascara. It volumizes and lengthens just enough for me, but because my lash is like connected to the bottom to my top one sometimes when I don't wear mascara, this keeps them lifted up enough to not do it, and I don't have to get false lashes. That was my Ulta Beauty haul. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you got from it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope all of y'all have a wonderful day.